Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll answer a few questions on the topic conditions and grouping. Since questions based on this topic are most frequently asked in competitive exams, it makes sense to understand the concept well. Questions are dealt with in this video along with clear explanations to make you understand the concept clearly. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Read the following information carefully to answer the questions that follow. There are 5 men A, B, C, D and E and 6 women P, Q, R, S, T and U. A, B and R are advocates. C, D, P, Q and S are doctors and the rest are teachers. Some teams are to be selected from amongst these 11 persons subject to the following condition. A, P and U have to be together. B cannot go with D or R. E and Q have to be together. C and T have to be together. D and P cannot go together. C cannot go with Q. Now, to help you answer the questions easily, tabulate all the information and conditions given here in a short form like this. So it's given that A, B, C, D and E are men. P, Q, R, S, T, U are women. A, B, R are advocates. C, D, P, Q, S are doctors. It's given that the rest are teachers, which means E, T, U are teachers. Now look at the conditions. It's given that A, P and U have to be together. Now we'll use the plus sign to indicate that the persons have to be together. So here you can see that A, P and U have to be together. Also E and Q have to be together. Similarly C and T have to be together. Now it's given that P cannot go with D or R. Now we'll use the cross sign to indicate that the persons cannot be together. So you can see here that B cannot go with D or R. Also D cannot go with P. Similarly, C cannot go with Q. Now use this short form to answer the questions easily. So here we have written down the given information and conditions in the short form. Now let's use this information and conditions along with the information given in the question to answer the given question. If the team is to consist of 2 male advocates, 2 lady doctors and 1 teacher, the members of the team are, here you are given 4 options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So the team should consist of 2 male advocates, 2 lady doctors and 1 teacher. Now, according to the information given, we know that the advocates are A, B and R. The doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. The teachers are E, T and U. Now here in the question it's given that we need male advocates, lady doctors and 1 teacher. Now among these advocates A, B and R, clearly you can see that the male advocates are A and B. And among these doctors C, D, P, Q and S, clearly you can see that the lady doctors are P, Q and S. Now the teachers are E, T and U. So now we have to form a team which consists of two male advocates. Now, as you can see here, the male advocates are A and B. So clearly the two male advocates that will be in the team are A and B. Now let's find out which two lady doctors and which teacher will be selected for the team. Now, according to the conditions given, we know that A, P and U have to be together. Now, since A has already been selected, it clearly means that P and U also have to be selected. So, Lady Dr. P and teacher U are selected. So, now the one teacher which had to be in the team has been selected. That is, teacher U has been selected. Now we had to select two lady doctors for the team. Now one lady doctor P has already been selected and we have to select one more lady doctor. Now the lady doctors are P, Q and S. Since P has already been selected, the other lady doctor can be either Q or S. But according to the conditions given, Q and E have to be together. Now since teacher E has not been selected, clearly Q also cannot be selected. So S will be selected. So the two lady doctors selected are P and S. Thus the team is male advocates A and B, lady doctors P and S, teacher U, that is ABPSU. The correct answer is option A, ABPSU. So this is the information and conditions given. Now, using this along with the information given in the question, let's answer the given question. If the team is to consist of one advocate, two doctors, three teachers, and C may not go with T, the members of the team are. Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So the team consists of one advocate, two doctors and three teachers. And it's given that C cannot go with T. Now, according to the information given, we know that the advocates are A, B and R. The doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. The teachers are E, T and U. So now the team should consist of one advocate, two doctors and three teachers. So clearly three teachers are E, T and U. So the three teachers are E, T and U. Now according to the condition given, we know that A, P and U have to be together. Now since U has been selected, clearly A and P also have to be selected. So advocate A is selected, also Dr. P is selected. So now we know that the one advocate that should be in the team is advocate A. And among the two doctors that have to be in the team, we have selected Dr. P. Now we have to select one more doctor. Now here we know that the doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. Now Dr. P has already been selected. Now it's given that C cannot go with T. Now since T has already been selected, clearly C also cannot be selected since C cannot go with T. So the other lady doctor has to be selected from D, Q and S. Now according to the condition, E and Q have to be together. Now since E has been selected, clearly Q also has to be selected. So the other doctor selected is Q. So now you can see that the team is advocate A, doctors P and Q, teachers E, T and U. That is, the team is A, P, Q, E, T, U. The correct answer is option A, APQETU. So this is the given information and conditions. Let's use this along with the information given in the question to answer the question. If the team is to consist of one male advocate, one male doctor, one lady doctor, and two teachers, the members of the team are. Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So the team should consist of one male advocate, one male doctor, one lady doctor, and two teachers. Now, according to the information given, we know that the advocates are A, B, and R. Doctors are C, D, P, Q, and S. Teachers are E, T, and U. Now, here the team should consist of uh, male advocate. So among these advocates A, B and R, clearly the male advocates are A and B. Also the team should consist of male doctor and lady doctor. So among the doctors C, D, P, Q, S, clearly the male doctors are C and D, lady doctors are P, Q and S. And the team should consist of teachers, and the teachers are E, T and U. So now the team should consist of one male advocate. Now we know that the male advocates are A and B. So either A or B can be selected for the team. Now let's suppose that A is selected. Now, according to the given condition, we know that A, P and U have to be together. So, if A is selected, P and U also have to be selected. So, male advocate A, lady doctor P and teacher U are selected. So, now one male doctor and one more teacher remain to be selected. Now we know that the male doctors are C and D. Now according to the given conditions, we know that D and P cannot go together. Now since P has already been selected, clearly D cannot be selected. So male doctor C will be selected. Now the teachers are E, T and U. Now teacher U has been selected. So the other teacher that has to be selected has to be E or T. Now according to the conditions we know that C and T have to be together. Now since C has already been selected, obviously T also has to be selected. So teacher T is selected. So now we have the team, one male advocate A, one male doctor C, one lady doctor P, and two teachers T and U. That is, the team is ACPTU. Now, instead of A, male advocate B may be selected. Now let's see what will be the team if male advocate B is selected. Let's now find out what the team would be if we select male advocate B instead of male advocate A. So we select male advocate B. Now according to the condition given, we know that B cannot go with D and R. So if B is selected, D will not be selected. So we know that the male doctors are C and D cannot be selected. So the male doctor selected will be C. Now we know that according to the condition, C and T have to be together. Now, since C has been selected, clearly T also has to be selected. Now we know that the team should consist of 2 teachers. Now T has been selected. So the other teacher has to be selected from either E or U. So the second teacher has to be either E or U. Now according to the condition, we know that A, P and U have to uh, go together. Now since A has not been selected, clearly U also cannot be selected. So the teacher selected has to be E. So the 2 teachers selected are E and T. Now we know that the lady doctors are P, Q and S. Now we need one lady doctor for the team. So that one lady doctor has to be selected from either P, Q or S. Now according to the conditions, we know that E and Q have to be together. Now since E has already been selected, clearly it means that Q has to be selected. So the lady doctor selected is Q. So now if male advocate B is selected, then the team will be male advocate B, male doctor C, lady doctor Q, teachers E and T. That is, the team would be B, C, Q, E, T. So now we know that if male advocate A is selected, then the team would be ACPTU, and if male advocate B is selected, the team would be BCQET. But when you look at the given answer options, you'll see that BCQET is not given. But you will find that the option ACPTU is there in the given answer options. So we have to select the team as ACPTU. The correct answer is option B, ACPTU. So this is the given information and conditions. Now let's use this along with the information given in the question to answer the question. If the team is to consist of 1 advocate, 3 doctors and 1 male teacher, the members of the team are, here you are given 4 options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So the team should consist of 1 advocate, 3 doctors and 1 male teacher. Now according to the given information, we know that the advocates are A, B and R. Doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. The teachers are E, T and U. Now we need 1 male teacher for the team. Now amongst E, T and U, clearly you can see that only E is the male teacher. So the male teacher E is selected for the team. Now according to the given condition, we know that E and Q have to be together. Now since E has been selected, clearly Q has to be selected. So one doctor Q is selected. Now the team should consist of 3 doctors and only 1 doctor has been selected. So 2 more doctors have to be selected. Now we know that the doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. Now Q has already been selected. So 2 more doctors have to be selected from C, D, P and S. Now according to the conditions, we know that C and Q cannot be together. Now since Q has already been selected, clearly C cannot be selected. So two more doctors have to be selected from D, P and S. Now according to the condition, we know that A, P and U have to be together. Now since U has not been selected, clearly P also cannot be selected. So the other two doctors D and S will be selected. So the three doctors in the team are Q, D and S. Now the team should consist of one advocate. So this one advocate has to be selected from A, B and R. Now we know that according to the given condition, A, P and U have to be together. Now since P and U have not been selected, clearly A also cannot be selected. So one advocate now has to be selected from B and R. Now according to the condition, we know that B cannot go with D and R. Now since D is already selected, clearly B cannot be selected. So the advocate selected is R. Thus the team is advocate R, doctors D, Q and S, male teacher E. That is, the team is RDQSE. So the correct answer is option D, RDQSE. So this is the given information and conditions. Let's use this along with the information given in the question and answer the question. If the team is to consist of two advocates, two doctors, two teachers and not more than three ladies, the members of the team are. Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So the team should consist of two advocates, two doctors, two teachers and not more than three ladies. Now according to the given information, we know that the women are P, Q, R, S, T and U. The advocates are A, B and R. Doctors are C, D, P, Q and S. Teachers are E, T and U. Now when you look at the given answer options, you will see that the answer option A, C, P, R, T, U is wrong because this option consists of four ladies P, R, T and U, and we need a team which has not more than three ladies. So this answer option A, C, P, R, T, U is wrong. Also, the answer option AEPQRT is also wrong because this also consists of four ladies PQRT and we need not more than three ladies in the team. So the answer option APQRT is also wrong. Now the answer option BCEQRT is also incorrect because according to the given condition, we know that B and R cannot go together. Now we are left with only option B, A, B, C, P, T, U. Now clearly here you can see that this option complies with all the information and conditions given. So this answer option has two advocates A and B, two doctors C and P and two teachers T and U. Clearly here you can see that there are only three ladies in the team P, T and U. So the correct team is A, B, C, P, T, U. The correct answer is option B, A, B, C, P, T, U. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more such questions so that you are able to understand what is the correct approach to answering such questions correctly. Also, please do watch our video on the topic Conditions and Grouping Solved Examples Part 2. If you have liked this video, Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.